night.
Man, this was one of the, heaviest, sweetest, not sweetest, very enjoyable meal
It
of
was
all times. I think, and I really feel like I'm so full that for the next 2 days I'm not gonna eat anything.
for the next 2 days.
Yeah.
Believe me, tomorrow you will be hungry.
This is where all the magic happens. Agashe! I cannot stop myself. This soup is actually, yummy and delicious.
Having the lamb shank, it's coming up. What is this?
Tahina?
Shatta.
The king of Sudanese food.
Agashe.
Freshly baked bread here.
The infamous.
Salata takwa.
Yo.
What is mahshi? It is the stuffed vegetables. Hello and assalamu alaikum. This is Zain with you.
And wa alaikum assalam. This is Salah with you.
You all know that we have been on a food mission for the past week, especially for the North African food. We cover Ethiopian, we went for Egyptian, and there are few more in the line. But before that, we wanted to do another dedicated episode for Sudanese cuisine again, because we loved it so much that last time that really from the heart, from the depth of my heart, I wanted to do it again.
Zain, what did you like?
See, I like the sujuk, I like the agashe, and who can forget your shatta.
Oh, so you like the shatta now. We're just at the gates of the restaurant. We're going to be having 3 different kinds of dishes, just 3.
Agashe,
1,
and second one would be
Mahshi,
which is stuffed vegetables.
yes, and
And
the third
one is the lamb shank.
Oppa!
This is what I'm looking for.
And
No,
this is what
seriously.
we're going to do today.
Let's go in.
Let's go.
What are you wearing? What is it called? Jalebi?
No, not jalebi. Jalabiya. In Sudan, we call it jalabiya.
So shabab, this is the secret recipe behind agashe. अच्छा तो कहा ये जाता है कि हर रेस्टोरेंट जो होता है उसकी अपनी एक सीक्रेट रेसिपी है and they don't actually share it.
The soup we had is kawari soup.
That's the reason it was so yummy.
And it's completely different than the soup or than the kawari that we had in the Egyptian restaurant.
So this lamb shank is called what's dara?
Dala'a.
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 So
even
this
the
is
name,
Dala'a.
the name is like,
It's
it's
heavy.
intense.
Yeah.
Intense.
So you start please.
And a lamb shank.
Man, this is pure heaven. Have a look.
Take a look.
This is a thing to notice. This bread
It's
is
soaked.
already dipped in the soup.
Into the same soup that this meat was done in.
This is what you called the food love.
Yes, this is food love.
And it
Look at the meat just breaks off.
a little bit of shatta.
Okay, this is
And
not
this
a
is
little
going to
bit.
be amazing.
Amazing.
So, अपने लैम्प शेक को एंजॉय करते हुए have a look. Check it out. The yumminess and all the taste that lies into this piece. Now the next one with the shatta.
Kalam khalas.
Now let's move towards
Mahshi.
Mahshi.
Perfect. The mahshi, yes. Which is again your stuffed vegetables.
Break it.
Go into it.
Great.
So guys, let's do it.
This one I'm going for is capsicum
Yes.
filled with rice and minced meat.
Yes, which is done in a tomato paste kind of sauce.
Simply saying, they took the vegetable taste to another level.
So Serai,
Shimla mirch जो होती है हमारी, they have filled it with rice and the keema, the minced meat, and it is simply amazing, you know. Now it's the turn for the eggplant. So same way it is stuffed with the rice and the minced meat. Let's go ahead and try it. This is, you know, I'll tell you something honestly. I don't like the eggplant, but this is, you know, something very, very different. The stuffing gives it a very unique taste. You know, a person like me who doesn't like eggplant is forced to have another bite. Miyan bil miyan.
Maza.
Maza aa gaya.
Maza aa gaya.
Now let's break this zucchini, which I believe will be a new surprise for me. Check it out. Let's take some masala. Ya Allah. Man, all three things with same stuffing but giving all together different kind of taste. I'm so loving it. I'm so loving it. Let's take some stuffing and, you know, enjoy the heavenly taste.
Amazing.
Amazing.
Go ahead with the
Agashe, the king of Sudanese food.
Okay, so guys, here we have chicken agashe, as you can see, white meat and
We have the meat Agashe.
meat agashe.
Okay, let's go together.
Okay, sir.
Shatta,
Yalla.
onion.
1, 2, 3, go.
See, by the looks of it, it looks like a little bit harder, you know,
Yes.
little bit hard to chew, but when you chew it, it's so tender, and with the shatta, it just dissolves into your mouth. For the love of Agashe.
Again.
So let's try one with the chicken Agashe. Here goes the lemon. Shatta.
Wow. Guys, then here we have salat al-taqwa, and here we have some yogurt made with the same spice that's been made from the agashe.
So let's go with salat al-taqwa
Okay.
and the bread,
Okay.
the usual way. So here we have the aish.
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 Aish, you know, from live. Aish.
Live to the max.
Aish.
And here goes the salat al-taqwa. Man, this is the peanut butter without any sweet thing. Tastes amazing.
This is peanut butter.
Tomato combination with peanut butter without any kind of additives, and it tastes so amazing. I love peanut butter, but this combination is on to another level.
Thank you guys.
Miya will miya.
This has been an awesome vlog.
Not awesome, it has been superly awesomely great.
And we will come back again for more.
See you guys in the next video.
Take care.
Bye bye.
I really love Mahshi. It was my number one. And then I'm a bit between Agashe and the dala.
For me, the dala was on the top. You know, no comparison with that. because the way it was cooked, the crispiness, it was just, you know, mouth-watering. So no parallel to Talab. And the second place goes to Agashe and Mahshi. And I wasn't expecting too much of a taste from this vegetable stuffed thing, but you know, for me it was completely new, a surprising experience. I loved it.